To my channel. So today's video is going to be about all things hair growth. I will be discussing with you my products that I use to achieve my hair growth. I cut my hair probably like 2 years ago, and I have just been on this kick of trying to grow it back, and it just came out of nowhere. So I wanted to share some of the products that I've been using to help promote that hair growth and keep my hair flowing. Before we get started, I just wanted to share some insight on patience, especially with hair growth. You can't rush these things, anything in life. You just have to go with the flow, trust your process, trust your instincts, and just be patient. And you have to believe that whatever you're trying to achieve is going to come as long as you put in the work and you just stay patient. I cannot stress that enough. A lot of us, we want our hair to be a certain length, especially if we're on social media or if we have friends or family that have a certain length that we just desire so much. Just be patient. You will achieve whatever length as long as you put in the work. That's number one. Put in the work, and you are staying patient with your process. With that being said, let's jump into this video. My journey has been pretty much all over the place. I had my big chop. When did I have my big chop? I think I had my big chop in 2018, I want to say, and it wasn't like super extreme. I think I did a low cut, but I didn't go like my shortest. My shortest cut wasn't until 2019. I was just on this whole journey of short hair. I wanted to start new. I wanted to just reinvent my crown. I decided, like, let's go super short. So I had a really short cut, and then I enjoyed that for a bit. I still miss short hair, don't get me wrong, but I was like, I'm ready for my hair to grow out. I noticed that every time I do something different to my hair, it just comes back different. So I had like a different texture because, again, I'm not having any color. And then there's that new growth that's coming in. So everything was just different. It was a new experience. Every time I do something different to my hair, I have a new journey. As my hair was growing back, I made the decision not to get color anymore, and I just wanted to see what my natural hair color would look like, how my hair would flourish. I continued to grow it out, and 2020, I feel like, because of the fact with the pandemic and being home and not having to be outside to do my hair as much, I really wasn't in my hair at all. I really saw how much my hair was, retaining so much length, and I was so happy about that. We did a little background. Let's get into the products, I guess, because you're tired of hearing about my journey. As far as the products, I typically break them up into 4 categories. I have products that are great for my body overall, and I say that hair, nails, skin. I break it up into my scalp, my actual strands, and then my hairline. I have been riding with this product since day one. Like, it has tremendously helped me a lot. I have seen the results, and I'm always advocating for this product. This product is the Main Choice Hair Growth Vitamins. No, this is not sponsored. None of these products are sponsored. This is just my honest, true opinion on products that I use and enjoy and have helped me with my journey. Sorry if you hear some noise in the background. That's my fridge. I don't know why it's making that noise right now. We're gonna check that out later. Yeah, I have no idea. I went to go check, and I don't know what's wrong with my fridge. These pills work wonders. I tend to notice within a week of taking them how much my nails have grown, and that's how I really know that my hair is also growing, because I always see it in my nails. No, these are not my nails. I did these myself. Thank you, quarantine, for turning me into the nail tech. But no, my nails are pretty long underneath it. But anyways, we're not talking about my nails, we're talking about these. So I take them pretty much. I try to be as consistent. I am not gonna lie to y'all. Consistency and me do not match, but I try my best. The pills, you're supposed to take them 2 times. You're supposed to take 2 a day. I don't know why that was so hard. You take 2 a day. And I like to take them like one in the morning and then one when I'm about to eat dinner, just so it's like easier on me. You don't necessarily have to force yourself to drink water. It is good for you to drink water, but you don't necessarily have to. There's no side effects. You do not get any headaches, breakouts, none of that. You can get these on the Main Choice website. You can also, I believe they might have it on Amazon. There's several beauty supply stores that carry this, Target. So there's so many different options for you to get your hands on these. If you are looking for some sort of supplemental vitamin, then these are a good choice. So my next products that I'll show you, and they're in my lap, so I'm trying not to let them drop. This is for my actual hair, like my strands. And I'm always promoting this brand because I actively use this in every single style that I do, and I just love it. And the brand is Tropic Living. So if you guys have been watching a couple of my videos, you'll see that I actively use their Jamaican black castor oil. So I am forever promoting this oil because it is thick and it does have a acquired smell, I like to say that. But for me, the easiest way to mask that smell, and I actually don't even mind the smell, but here's a little pro tip for you. You can use a little bit of it and pair it with your favorite moisturizer. So I have the coconut Jamaican black castor oil, I have the aloe vera, and then of course I have the original Jamaican black castor oil. And then also recently, Tropic Living, they have come out with a DIY pure oils collection. Now I've done a few videos on my Instagram page where I'm showing you the like DIYs that I came up with. I'm trying to get more into DIYs because they're actually pretty fun and easy to do. So I'm like, yes, finally I can do this. But the Pure Oils collection is an amazing collection to get your hands on. They come in these tiny bottles, so you're not really like purchasing something that's gonna take up so much space. It allows you to get really creative and figure out like what kind of DIYs you wanna come up with, or even if you don't wanna do a DIYs, because that's also a me thing too, where I do some DIYs, but then I just actively love oils, and it gave me the opportunity to try new oils without like having to worry, am I gonna like this? Am I just gonna throw it away because they come in a small bottle? So this is the size of the bottles. I have here olive oil, and then I have the sweet almond oil. I have tried olive oil before, but it was great to just tap in, but I've never tried the sweet almond. So this right here is like my absolute fave now. So if you're interested in testing out some new oils, I definitely suggest looking into their Pure Oils collection, which you can find either on their website or you can look on their Amazon store. So now, as far as my scalp is concerned, this has been a method that I have started off doing consistently and then just completely dropped off and now picked it up again. I have noticed that one, I haven't been drinking a lot of water, and of course you know water is like the best remedy to keeping your hair looking healthy, keeping your skin looking healthy, keeping your scalp looking healthy. And I also wanted to go back to actually moisturizing my scalp with an oil. So I revisited using oils, and sometimes I will use castor oil. But this specific oil, I absolutely love it from this brand because her oils do help also to promote growth. So the brand, I heard something. I was about to say, guys, video is over. I'm out. Y'all can keep the whole place to yourself, whatever that is. So yeah, the oil is this is their braid oil for itchy and dry scalp, and this is from Glammed Naturally. Okay, now this oil is specifically their braid oil, but I like to use it just to moisturize my scalp. When I had protective styles in and I was rocking my knotless braids, I actively used this oil, and it just kept my scalp looking clean and moisturized and healthy. This is the oil that you need. So I like to use this especially throughout the week. This is like my daily routine. If I notice that my scalp is looking like extra dry, I like to just use this and just get my fingertips in there and moisturize it the best way I can. It has this nozzle, so it's easy to apply. You're not, you know, worried about like too much product coming out, too much product getting everywhere and being messy, or wasting the product, period. So last but not least, my absolute favorite product right now for my hair growth and to help keep my, well, not scalp, sometimes scalp, but mostly my hairline moisturized. These oils are like perfection. I say that because I have been struggling with my hairline for so long. I have gotten knotless box braids, I think it was sometime in 2019. And when I got it, you know, we always think these protective styles are cute, but at the end of the day, when you take them bad boys out, your edges are shot. I have always been like so conscious of it because, you know, your hair is your crown, and then your hairline is like your super crown. Like, you could not be walking out here with crazy edges. I have been on this like stressful journey of how can I get back my super crown? How can I get back my hairline? And I have decided to like look into this product. I have used this product, I've started using it, and I'm someone who wants to see active results, and I wasn't getting that active result. And I had to take a step back and say, hey Nick, you need to chill out, okay? You need to be able to, oh, my fridge stopped, that's crazy. You need to be able to have the patience and understand that you're not going to expect this growth overnight. So you need to be able to just be consistent with this, and then you'll see the results of the product, because I kept talking about it and not showing y'all. These are my oils. Y'all will not be disappointed. This is it. So you can see they're all different colors, and I actually am missing one because I actually finished it, but that's my baby. Now, this oil comes in several different scents. So this is the original one. It has almost like a peppermint, herbal kind of like smell to it. So if you're into that kind of scent, you'll absolutely love it. So it has like seed oil, lavender, rosemary, jojoba, peppermint, castor, and then the actual scent is sandalwood vanilla fragrance. And then the next one, this one actually is my absolute favorite, but they all smell so good and they're all my favorite, and you can see the excitement of me talking about it, so you know this is real. This one's oat and honey. So oat and honey. This next one is sandalwood vanilla. But anyway, so this has been the key to growing back my hairline, but I have noticed that the more I was, I'm sorry guys, doing like my baby hairs and my edges and doing all sorts of edge art, that's so much tension over and over and over on your hairline. And then even putting my hair up, I've started getting more comfortable with wearing my hair in an afro look versus doing it in a puff. Even when I do puffs now, I just leave them up and I don't do my edges at all. Like, I will make sure that at least I do not have my hair in a puff for more than 2 days. Whenever I have wash day, I would wash my hair, and I would get my best results from this by when my hair is wet, because I wanted the oil to really be sucked into my hair, into my strands, into my scalp. I would spray some of that water on there, on my hairline, just to get it like more moist. And then I would I would apply the oil to my hairline and then massage it in. You can get this on her website. I'll definitely put her info in the description area. But I'm telling you, like, this has been a lifesaver. You can even see it. It's still on its way with its journey, but it looks, to me, much better than it did before. And I'm just so grateful that now I'm actually seeing the process and being consistent with it so much. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a lot as you try out these products. If you are trying to figure out your hair growth journey, like I said, number one, be patient with yourself and your process, because that is most important. And number two, you just gotta experiment and figure out what products work best for you. So hopefully you try some of these products out and reclaim your hair growth today. Make sure you also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And if not, make sure you share this video with someone. Give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it or if this was helpful. And other than that, stay tuned for my next video. Always a pleasure chatting with you guys, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.